Below is a slope field for which of the following differential equations. So we have this slope field going on right here. And whenever you're trying to match up a slope field with its differential equation, you want to look for either zeros first or zeros first. That's probably the best thing to do. I don't know why I said or there. Let's look for zeros first. So it seems to me that everything perfectly diagonally is going to give me my zero slope, which means like a -3 and a +3 will somehow turn into a 0, or a -2 and a +2 will somehow turn into a 0. So which of these would allow me to do that? Like if I were to test out -2 and +2, which one of these would allow me to do that? Well, A won't, because if I were to plug in -2, I get -1, so that won't work. If I were to plug in -2, I'd get 4, so that won't work. -2 and +2 would give me 0, so that's so far so good. How about if I were to plug in, let me see, -2, +2, that would be 1, so that won't work. ln of y, so since I'm using +2, ln of 2 is a regular old number, so that one won't work either. So C is the only one that seems to make sense. And, you know, if you had more than one option here after we tried out those numbers, then you would choose other numbers to plug in and see if they work. But this guy seems to do the job pretty nicely, so I'm sticking with C.